All right, so first stop here, we're looking at the Walsh and wanted to show you from the street real quick. You don't have any neighbors facing the front, so that's always either extra parking space or, you know, something like that. And yeah, we've got a nice elevation, nice exterior in the front with brick and siding. We've got some pillars and an outdoor patio with some bay windows. These bay windows are forming part of this, could be kind of like an office space or formal living room space or dining room space. But yeah, we've got the entrance here, and it is a little bit of a cloudier day, so makes it a little darker in here. Nice pantry. Cabinets, shaker style cabinets. You go upstairs here. You've got the living room here. Nice for the washer and dryer. The ceiling does go up quite a bit here. And we've got the first half bath patio room. And this is the primary bedroom. This one's 23 square feet with 4 beds and 2.5 baths. Nice tub there. Pretty big walk-in closet here with some, extra space underneath the stairs. That's cool. And the bathroom right there. Walk-in shower, separate from the tub. The ceilings are also pretty high in the primary bedroom here. And the backyard is pretty cool as well. This one specifically, there won't be any neighbors in the back directly because there's a little a neighborhood kind of parkway, like main road, just for the neighborhood. So it won't be a fast road, but yeah, it'll be cool to not have a neighbor right in the back. And you also get 4 trees in this very spacious backyard. I usually see 2 trees in the back, so 4 trees is definitely a plus. And there is a ton of space back here. And a nice covered patio. And then we're going upstairs. I always love when there's a window by the stairway. Just adds extra light in here. And again, like I mentioned, it's a cloudy day, so you've got your loft up here. Nice sliding door, closet, and 2 stylish windows. Bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. They all have big closets. And another nice visual of kind of the elevation of this house. All the houses in front of you are going up, so you're kind of at the hilltop here. Yeah. This was the Walsh, and we're gonna take a look at the other one right now.